want to show you the ultimate mama glow up kit that I cannot believe GuruNanda took the time to cultivate. So I'm going to show you guys right now. It's so big, I can't even carry it. Let's be honest, taking care of your oral care isn't as exciting, but GuruNanda made sure to make it just as romanticized as skincare can be. So let's go together through a little unboxing of everything that's inside. First, we're going to start off with this incredible dual barrel mouthwash. This mouthwash actually whitens my teeth. We get a year's supply of the butter and gums toothbrushes. And we get 90 floss picks. I wasn't expecting this to be in the box. The magnesium oil spray. This is so nice for my long days after the gym or after just being in need for a total reset. Mouth tapes. On the go mouthwash. 14 strips of the whitening mouth strips. You know us moms need our coffee in the morning, and this is what's gonna make sure that we stay fresh. Not only just any sort of water flosser, but it's one that sanitizes our UV flosser and our UV flosser water pick. Oil pulling, this leaves your mouth feeling so refreshed and amazing, and is so incredible for your gums. This is my favorite thing to use in the morning. Turns your shower into a little spa. Fluoride-free jasmine cocoa mint toothpaste. The whitening gel pen. Extra tongue scraper. Everything we would absolutely need as a mom to feel refreshed on this Mother's Day. Thank you.